Hi, I'm Kevin Smith of Kevin Smith Steelworkers and World Water Rams. We've been manufacturing ram pumps here close on 40 years. Typically in New Zealand we use ram pumps on farms, so pumping water for stock supply or pumping water into cow sheds, into commercial gardens. Some of the installations that we use are for lifestyle properties, small communities, so that's typically what we use ram pumps for here in New Zealand. What's so special about the ram pumps is the simplicity of them, and simply they just work on hydraulicking water hammer technology. So a ram pump works by using a large amount of water to pump a smaller amount of water up the hill, where the water is above ground and it's just running down the hill. So we're looking at hilly type terrain where we can pipe that water off to the side. We take it into a surge tank and then it goes down the drive pipe. So we have a column of water, the waste valve opens, the water goes rushing down that drive pipe until it reaches its terminal velocity, and then it slams the waste valve shut. The water carries on through and it pushes the store valve open inside the pressure tank, where it takes in a smaller amount of water and a gulp of air with that. Then it just recycles again. The pressure drops off, the waste valve falls open, and it cycles again. We only take the amount of water out of the system that we need to pump up the hill. The rest of the water just flows back into that water system again. They're sustainable and they're environmentally friendly, and they go 24/7. And our ram pumps, they don't require any O-rings, seals, diaphragms. There's nothing to wear out on them. They don't use electricity, they don't use fuel. They just simply use the water running through them to pump water up the hill. The ram pumps are so reliable because of how they're manufactured. They're extremely robust, and the construction and design and the materials that we use. You know, we've installed thousands of ram pumps over the years, and I say that we are the world's experts on ram pump technology. If we say it's going to work, it's going to work for you. We guarantee our installations, we guarantee the ram pump, we're proud of what we do. We're always looking to do that little bit more. If you've got a situation for a ram pump, there is nothing that will beat it, nothing. A ram pump pays for itself.